By using named sections in your templates, you can render parts of the content in a specific place within the parent template. This gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to rendering content and using master templates on your Umbraco CMS website. My name is Sophie, and in this video, I'll show you how you can add more flexibility to your website by defining, rendering, and using named sections. Let's get to it. This is the website we'll be working with. It's fairly simple. We have a navigation up here, a banner here with some text. Then we have a handful of different content elements here in the middle of the page. And finally, at the bottom of a page, we have a little footer down here. For rendering this page here, two templates are used. The navigation, the banner, and the footer at the bottom. These are all defined in the master template. Then all the content here in the middle of the page, that's from the child template, the template specific to this content type. In this video, we want to use the named section feature to add a notification banner here, right between the navigation bar and the banner here at the top. So let's hop over to the back office and get started. We'll head straight to the settings section, and then we'll locate the templates down in the folder here. The first thing we need to do is to define a named section. This we need to do in the child template, so the template used for our homepage. Great, and let's scroll to the bottom and add a new line here. Then we'll use the sections option up here in the corner. We will choose define a named section. We need to give it a name. Let's call it notification banner. There we go. Submit it, and it'll add a snippet here to our template. I have some pre-made code that I will paste in here. It's a simple div tag here with a heading and some text in it as well. I've also added an if statement around it, which checks on a true-false property, deciding whether or not to actually show this banner on our website. Let's save this template here with our defined section. The next step is to render the template that we've just defined. We need to do this in the parent template. That will be the master template over here. Now we need to be very specific as to where we want to place it. As mentioned earlier, it should be between the navigation and the banner at the top. So let's find that here. Here's the navigation and here's the banner. So we'll make some room for our section here. And then we'll select the sections option up here again. And this time we'll choose render a named section. So we'll need to put in the name that we gave our banner, notification banner. And then we'll leave this one unchecked, meaning that the section will be optional. We'll submit, and another snippet will be added to our template. That was it. Let's save our master template. Now with the section in place, let's head on over to the content section and find our homepage node here. And then we'll add some text to our banner, which is over here on the notification banner tab. All right, and we need to remember to check this one down here, so the banner will actually be shown on our website. Then we'll save and publish and head on over to the front end. So if everything has worked out, when we refresh this page, we will see our notification banner up here. Let's give it a go. And there we have it. Our notification banner is now set up. So named sections is a feature that gives you even more flexibility when you're working with master templates in your template structure when you're building Umbraco CMS websites. That was all I had for you in this video. Go ahead and see if named sections could be a good fit for your website. Remember to keep an eye on this channel for more new videos. Have a good one.